So hey everyone, welcome back, and today we are going to discuss another contest. This one is weekly contest 516. I'm sorry for the late because I came to my hometown for some holidays, and for that reason I didn't get a chance to upload videos in the morning. But now I'm recording it and now I'm uploading it in the evening. So sorry for that. And without wasting time, let's get started. So talking about the today problems, so problems are pretty easy, I guess. Like problems are quite easy. Like I'm talking about the first two problems, right? So if you see, like if you have solved enough amount of problem, like not too much, then also it is all really easy for you to actually solve these both of the problem, right? So what's the first problem? First problem is pretty straightforward, that you are given a string s consisting of lowercase English letters. Construct a binary string by replacing its character in S with the 8-bit binary representation of ASCII value, including leading zeros, while preserving the original order of the characters. Return the true if the resulting binary string is palindrome or not. That's it. That's what we have to do. So you see, in the given example, we have ff is a string. The ASCII value of f is 102, and whose 8 binary representation is this. So when we combine both of them, the binary representation become this, and we just have to check if it's palindrome or not, right? So this is the only thing which we have to do. So let's see the code. It's pretty straightforward. I've just created a one string to hold all the like binary strings which I'm going to conduct. After that, I just pick up current character and generating my 8-bit binary string. You can also use your custom way as well, but I'm using something which is available in the Java language, right? And after that, I have just a function which is just checking if the given string is a palindrome or not. So that's the first problem, and I would say that it is quite easy problem, right? Let's move to the second one, right? And I don't think I need to explain you on Excel draw even on this particular problem as well, but I will try. If there is any point, I think if I realize, then I will try to like use accelerator as well. So this is the problem, like you are given as integer num and two integer lower and upper. A missing integer is an integer that inclusive in a range that does not appear in nums. Return a 2D integer array where each element is of the form start and end, representing a contiguous range of missing integer. Return the range in increasing order. If there are no missing integers, return an empty array. So consecutive missing integers should be grouped in a single range. So what exactly we have to do? So we have given an integer array which contains certain numbers, and we have a lower and upper. We have to find what are the elements which is not available inside our nums and which is coming under our range, right? After that, if you see, these are all the numbers which are not available inside the num and they are in the range. So we just have to return them in a group based on the consecutive frequency of that, right? So this is the way that group the missing integer into the maximum number of contiguous ranges. We can get 1 to 2 because it's consecutive. 4 5 6 become one group. 8 do not have any consecutive, so it is a group for itself. And 10 12, so this is what we have to do in this particular problem. So you see, we just have to do 3 steps over here, right? So I know what are the elements num contains, what is the range, like what is the lower, let's say 1, and upper. So these are my range, so I will just draw it, right? So I know my lower and I know my upper values, right? So this is my lower, this is upper, right? So now what I have to do in this particular case, that okay, I have certain elements inside my nums, so I just need to check what all are the elements. Those are coming in this particular range but not inside my nums, right? So this is what I need to do. So in order to solve this particular problem, I will do 3 things. First, find the missing element, right? And second, just group them. So this is the only 2 steps which we need to take care of, and if you see the code, that will give you more idea that what exactly I'm doing. So this is just a result. This is the array list which I have been using to store all the missing numbers, and after that I just use hash set so that I don't need to run a loop to check if that particular number is present inside my nums or not, so that because it will give me off one time. After that, I'm just checking if the I is in the range which I want, and if it is not inside my hash set, which means it is a missing number. So I'm just including it inside my missing number. And after that, these are some edge cases. If we don't have missing number, so we just have to return an empty, right? So this is the base case. After that, this is going to give us the intervals, or you can say start and the end. Initially, for the first element, it is itself is a start and itself is an end. So that's what I have been storing over here. And after that, I'm just checking if it's a consecutive, then I'm just increasing my end value. Otherwise, it is not a consecutive, which means whatever the start and end I have formed, I just need to store that inside my result, and I need to update start and end. After that, because there are one pair as well which left after performing this particular operation, so I'm just storing that inside my result and returning out there, because this is useful when I have array like 1 2 3 2 3. In that case, this case will work, right? And let's say if suddenly 8 comes, so in that case we'll back to this particular case. In that case, start have pointed to 1 and end pointed to 3, right? So we stored this inside our answer. Now start points to 8 and end also points to 8. So this is what we are doing in this particular logic. So yeah, this is about the second problem of the weekly contest. It's pretty easy, I would say, because I don't think it's too difficult. Talking about the time complexity, so which is also O of n, right? And the space complexity of O of n, if we are considering this particular hash set, because we are storing n number of elements. So this is about the second problem. So yeah, this is all about today contest. And in the beginning I told you that I actually don't need accelerator to explain about the today contest. So this is it about the today contest, and I hope you are able to understand the solutions. If you do, let me know in the comment section. If you have any query, do let me know in the comment section, so that I'll try to improve whatever the suggestion you guys have. And if you want any video on any particular topic, then do let me know in the comment section. Do share with your friends. Those are learning, those are grinding LeetCodes, that will help them as well. And till then, bye bye, take care.